everybody. This is another room tour because you might have not seen the other one. So this might just be like facts about me. Okay, I need to set this up. Oh, my cat's coming in. That's why the door opened. I was like, what the heck is happening? But the door opened because my cat's coming in. Okay, Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. I don't know what to do right now. I'm bored. Please give me stuff to do. I'm bored. So I decided, why don't I make a video about how I'm bored and give people can give me ideas. I was gonna do a room tour originally, but then I was like, how do I do this? And I was like, let's just talk about how I'm bored and that people can give me ideas. Okay, anyways, I'm bored. Give me ideas on what to do. Oh my gosh, my phone fell out of the thingy. Whatever. Sorry, the video cut off, so now I have to redo it because the video cut off and I have no idea. Get him and show you him. So let me just get him. Hold on. He's going into the closet right now. This is the full body of him. He's still a kitten. Ugh, gotta get this. He's still a kitten. I love him so much because he's like 7 or 6 months, maybe 5 months. Yeah, he's like 5 or 6 months. And I love him because he's so cute. Okay, back to how I'm bored. Should I really do a room tour? Like, there. Oh my gosh, is my cat coming through? No, he's trying to play the piano. This is so funny, trying to play the piano, literally. Shut my door because he opened the door coming in, just pushing the door. Yes. So, I'm bored. That's a chair, and those are books. I can read a book, but I don't want to. Video cut off again. Got this. Let's grab another one. Simple Dimple. Pop tube, I guess. Another pop tube, I guess. That's all that can fit in my hands. Let's get it onto the bed. Now let me adjust the phone. And I'm gonna just adjust it, put it right there, adjust there. The video cut off again and then it started recording again. I'm like, what the heck is going on right now? I cut the video off again. Stop it. It's like these videos are just 2 seconds long. Oh, can't even get my phone adjusted. Like, stop cutting off, man. Like, what the heck's going on? Is my camera stuff too full? Sorry, I might not be able to make this video. This video is just not working how I expected it to be. Is this it? Did I get it? Stop it. Just no, I can't. Sorry. I can't with this camera thingy. Sorry about that. I think I did that now. There. Don't mind how the camera looks messed up. These are my pop tubes. I once challenged myself, why don't I drink Hawaiian Punch out of this and use it as a straw. I used it as a straw. I almost choked and I left a stain on this, but luckily I was fine. Fine. This is my simple dimple. I hate this one now because it always reminds me of that time, and I'm like, I don't know why I challenged myself to that. Like, why? You know what? I use this as a battle. I will use sword fighting. This is when I make ice poppets, where I like pour water in, then I put it in the freezer, then I let it like turn into ice, and ta-da! You got ice. Pop it out. Hum. You eat the ice. That's what you do. Then you pour it into a simple dimple. I'm just kidding. I never do that. I'm bored again. Let's go get some more fidgets. Yes. Okay. Let's go. We're gonna get one this time. We're gonna get two this time, I mean. Yes. Set that there. This is a nice one. Like, you can open it and pop it in there. Did you? Oh, that was just my cat. I'm gonna start popping more. Keep popping. Put it in my hand. Oh, I can use it as a poppet sock if it's my size. Get in. A poppet sock. Ta-da! Oh, that was so easy to get off. Okay, never mind. This was super duper easy to get off, and my normal shoes that fit me are easy to get off. Shoes that don't fit me, the shoes that are too big on me are super duper easy to get off. Like the ones that are your size, which came off super duper easy, but they come off easy. And the ones that are big on you, they just like, hello, get me out of this foot. The one that, like, I got a pair of dress shoes earlier, tried them on, they were too big on me, and I stepped and they were like, I'm getting off of your foot right now. And I was like, okay, they're big on me, they're a size 1, and I'm a size children's 13, and they're a regular 1. I'm a children's 13, and they're a regular 1, and I'm like, this was the shoe, and I was like, the other shoe, and I was like, this is the other shoe, and I was like, the pairs that are too small on me, I'm like, with them. This was the pair of shoes that was too small on me. Cute. Oh, I haven't shown you this yet. Ooh. Oh, I haven't shown you this because, like, I haven't. And I like it. It's so much fun to play with. I'm so glad the video hasn't cut off yet. Maybe when I say it, it cuts off. I'm gonna stop saying it. Maybe when I adjust it, it cuts off. No, don't fall. Don't do that. Okay, that's gonna have to do it. I'm gonna eat this. It's a flower. I'm eating. No, I'm not gonna eat it. This is a straw. That was probably loud. I probably wasn't loud at all. Wait, I have an idea. So making it super long. A lot of adjustments to do. It's like a big giant snake. That's probably not loud at all. Never mind. How about I put my fidgets away? Why did I just get goosebumps? Why am I getting goosebumps? Oh gosh. What's happening right now? Stop giving me goosebumps. Body, what do you need? What does my body need? Why am I getting goosebumps for no reason? Why do I think the camera's about to scare me? Okay, never mind. Let's just not think about that. Wait, hold on. My mom sent my dad something. But never mind. Nothing to worry about. Big long necklace that fits to my feet. What? Ew, it's brown. It's supposed to be blue. Odd. See that? See that? It's brown. How? I'm a dog. I hate how I just. Hopefully the voice went on both of those. Okay, I'm gonna stop this. Why won't it stop? My phone's froze. It won't stop.